the team Malabata and Zulus.
This is a fighting for third game between Manito Batang James and Malabata and Zulus. The ball positions for the team Malabata. We have a steal on the pass break for Lasso with an easy layup. Ingasta, Tuakan, catches the three, Mabati sa airball. Ambrosio collect the rebound. Maliam to Lasa, corner pass. We have a fake, stops in the corner, off the glass is good. By O'Malley, rebound, corner pass to Polino. That is a short three. O'Malley for Lasa, again on the pass break. That is a quick 4 points by Bolasa. Now to Ingasta, he takes the dribble with a step back, corner pass, jersey number 8. That is too strong. The point guard of the team Manito. No look pass to the corner, Ambrosio. Bolasa bounce pass. O'Malley, but there's a goal by a referee serve. Jersey number 9, Ingasta, holding defensive Manaya. That is still again. Rivaniero. To jersey number 7, Maria. Corner pass. O'Malley on the corner. There is a cut inside. Using his footwork. Ambrosio with a big 2 points inside. Jersey number 8. Forward pass. Back to jersey number 8. Aka in the corner with a close-out 3. Offensive rebound. Ingasta. That is further. That is deep for the football. Jersey number 7, Maria with a long pass. We have a quick turnover by the name Mahito. Jersey number 9, Ingasta. In a side step. Back to Ingasta. On the corner. Jersey number 8. Off the glass is good. Back to back turnover for the name Mahito Ingasta. Using the switch. Looking his companion. Jersey number 7, 3. Offensive rebound by Danielo. O'Malley. Ambrosio for the elbow jumper. Rebound by Akan. Bolillo. Step up 3. To Japan. King out to Ingasta. Corner pass. Jersey number 8. Offensive rebound by Japan. Reverse layup. It's against 10. Jersey number 7, Maria with a quick pull-up jumper. Nothing but that. Ingasta with a screen of Japan. Such a mid-range area. There is a counter 2. Bolasa, nice to recover the ball. Jersey number 7, Akan. For the steal. Kicking out to Ingasta. Here comes Ingasta using his driven skills. Akan. Counter steal. Madiab. Bolasa on the pass break. We have a 2 by Edgar Lasa for the first quarter. Jersey number 9, Ingasta. With a close-out 3. Leading out. Offensive rebound by Rogers with an elbow jumper. Jersey number 7, Madiab. No look pass, Wall with a catch and shoot. Offensive rebound, Madiab for the feed away, in and out. Out of post screen by Sanch and left down to 10. Offensive rebound by Jamal. That pass to Akai. Basket is good. Steal. Jersey number 24, transition pass. O'Malley with a slow moving side with an extra basket and 1. Bonus throw for the end 1 basket. Step up against the paint and corner pass to Ingasta. Japan. There is a turnover. Nakita on the inbound to Wall. Corner pass to Solapa. With the defense of Amandes back to Wall. Penetrating inside. Mondiasca with the elbow jumper. Narvaez for the second time. Corner 3. We have a 2-on-1 situation in Glasgow with an easy layup. Ball with the defense of jersey number 11 with a side step. Rebound by Akan. Jersey number 11, Malagos. Akan with a jump step. Half step inside, kick out to jersey number 11. Good for 2 points. Now the boys for the last 5 seconds. That is the time for the first quarter. We have a turnover in the Los Angeles jersey number 8. With a taking layup inside. Here comes the Salamat, take time. Shadrach down to 8. Offensive rebound. There's a quick steal in the gas. Jersey number 8. That is good. Offensive rebound. Bounces to jersey number 13. Nothing but that. Now the boys, the ball with a closeout 3 by Wall. Basket is here. What a team. Shadrach down to 14. Ball on the outside. The outside to the boys. Off the glass is good. Shadrach down to 5. That is David Landicho. Here comes Landicho signaling Steven Broto, corner pass. It's a 3 points. O'Malley. Now by jersey number 11, the side step. That is still good. Barcenas forward pass. Behind the line. Number 11, Kamumbay. The jersey number 01. That is a short layup. Akad for the rebound. Jersey number 9, Ingasa on the drive. Ingasa bounces to his teammate. Rebound by Akad. Jersey number 13, Barcenas on the line. Good Lord. Corner pass to Madley. That is a short 3. Barcenas bounces to Ingasa. Layup is good by Ingasa. 1 point lead by the team Malabat at 31 against 13. Basket is good by Madley. Barcenas with the jump step. Kick out to Labrador. Nagabada ng rebound, Broto. Forward pass to Malayag. Side step by Bulasan. Drop pass. Back to Bulasan for the wide open 3. Nice putback by Ambrosio. Barcenas. Step up 3. It's for 3 points. Shadrach down to 8. That's a short layup. 23 seconds. That is a short 3. Ingasa for the 2-1 concentration. Layup is good by Jordan Ingasa. Ambrosio working inside. Corner pass to Labrador. Back to Akad. That is David Ambrosio. O'Malley. 1-on-1 situation. Layup is good by O'Malley. 9 Ingasa. Looking at the opinion. Yes, it is good by Ingasa. Now look pass. Ambrosio using the fake. Here comes the Barcenas, take time. That is still good. Rebound by O'Malley. O'Malley wearing jersey number 30. There is a ball by our referee. Jersey number 10, nice steal by Bolasa. But that is stepping on the line. Barcenas. Jersey number 9, Ingasa on dribble. We're now on the second to late. There is a buzzer beater 3 layup. Bola Bolasa with a stand on layup. Counter 2 by Bolasa. Jersey number 7, Japan. Nice foot block. Hit for 2 points by Mr. Manayal. Okay, siya na lang isa. Layup is good by Marcelas. Hit for 2 points by Ambrosio. Last 5 seconds. Raise the buzzer beater for Team Malapatan. With the handle screen of Daniel, corner pass. Bomate with the fake. Offensive rebound out of Ambrosio with the foot block. Shot left out to 8. There is the basket count. Bolasa. Crossword pass to Madle with the 3. Marcelas. Jersey number 8 on the pass break on the defense of Madle. Nice hanging time on the air. Long pass to Bolasa. Basket is good. Nikiaska. Marcelas. With the defense of Jersey number 30. Step back 2. Offensive rebound. Hakai with a contested 3. There's a ball. Jersey number 7. Maria. Don't Madle with the defense of Nikiaska. It's a 3 points to Madle. Back to Marcelas. That is leading out. Nakakad for the offensive rebound Nikiaska. Offensive rebound. Basket is good. Tonight, welcome for our championship game. Marcelas, that is your third personal foul. Marcelas using the crossover. Mabantes for the feed away. Here's the overtime for Lasa. Offensive rebound. Basket is good by Daniel. Okay, I'm leveraging the presence of honorable. Jersey number 7. Mr. Manayal on the drive. Jersey number 7, Angad Marcelas inside the free throw line. In the defense of Madle. Corner pass. That is an air ball for Lasa. On the line. With the layup, basket is good by Lasa. Jersey number 7, Angad. Stop to the rainbow line. Rebound by Ambrosio. Offensive rebound. Ambrosio stepped up on 2. Basket is good by Ambrosio. Marcelas. Polito catch and shoot. Rebound by Tanieno. Now the pass Ambrosio with the fast break with an out pass. One further down. Malapatan. Corner pass to Polito. Reverse layup but that is short. Well, now an offensive rebound. Jersey number 8 is on 3 points. Serving the floor. Crossword pass to Madle. With the layup, basket is good. Jersey number 7, Angad off the glass for the counter 2. Here comes the layup, takes on. Kick and away, there's a kick and go, but another layup.
Even the play, even Daniel.
Barcenas with the defense of ball. Shetland down to 14. It's a 3 points. Back to back 3 by number 7. Another inside of Rocio for the easy layup. Polito. Counter layup by Mr. Polito. Otro manera Ambrosio again for the second time by Ambrosio. Jersey number 7, Akal. Jersey number 8, catching chip, but that is an air ball. Ball. It's a 3 points.
May curve gamay.
Jersey number 9, Gasca, using the high post screen of Alma. Layup is viewed by Gasca. Lead turnover 9. Gasca. With defense of ball, corner pass to Barcenas. Labrador working inside. Yes, 6. Still in favor for Team Manito. Jersey number 34, Canalmais. Back to ball. Hesitation pass. Rebound by Gasca. Wearing jersey number 9, Barcenas. Basket is viewed by Roldan Barcenas. Ball, transition pass of Mante. With a slow move inside. Barcenas. That is an air ball that Nicho forward pass on Rocio. Gasca. Oh, Barcenas should lock down to 8. Oh my goodness, for the feed away of Roldan Barcenas. Nicho shuttle on his own. Oh, Mante. Basket is good for the last 8 seconds. Last 5 seconds. That is the time for the third quarter. We know Japal hand off to Gasca. Kick out of Labrador. It's a 3. Pass to Bulasa. Ambrosio. With the defense of Japal. Should let down for 10. Down to 3 by ball. Versus team of Japan Barcenas. On the layup, basket is given by Roldan Barcenas. Ambrosio. Gasca. Labrador on the corner. Offensive rebound. Rebound by Volk. Bounces to Maria. Bulasa. Nice hustle by Ambrosio. Jersey number 20 Barcenas. Jersey number 8. Nice intercept by Gasca. Jersey number 8. Long pass to Movantes. Basket is good. Lasa. Corner pass to Bull. Manila for the first layup. Serving for the team Malabatan with defense of Bulasa. Pass to Movantes for the 3. Bulasa on the rebound. Now Ambrosio on the pass break. Offensive rebound. With a half court defense of Bulasa. That is the nice defense, but that is Danielo. Pass to jersey number 18. Forward pass to Omande. It's never moving inside by Omande. Jump ball with the defense of Danielo. Elbow jumper is good. Jersey number 9. Oniaske. Romali. Rebound by Lamberto. Nice defense by Diego for a quick steal. Jersey number 8, nice selection drive. Jersey number 9, left kick the ball. The ball for the steal. Jersey number 8 bounces to Ningasca. Mapandes for the pull-up jumper. Basket is good. Motley. That is it. Mula sa defensive rebound Taniero for the turnaround. Easy basket by Taniero. High post with of Jabal. Big inward play. Layup is good. Jersey number 7. Malia with the IRP 2. Rebound by Ningasca. Jersey number 8. Bounce pass to Mapandes. Pass to jersey number 7, the point guard of the team, Marita Taniero. Ambrosio. Back to Marial, she'll let down to 8. There is a short layup by Marial. Barcenas. Ningasca. To jersey number 71. Sergio Motley. Cross-court pass to Bulasa. Back to Motley. Layup is good by Motley. Down by Akal. Corner pass to Gasca. It's a 3 points. Motley. Trying to run an answer. Hand up to Gasca. There's a number 9 in Gasca. That is good. Jersey number 7. We can He's 98. Barcenas. High post screen of Jabal. Nice defense for the air ball. Ambrosio. The jersey number 7, Maria. With the high on the 2. Basket is good for the Blacks 2 of Maria. Jersey number 9.